Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run, there's nothing to help.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the healthy meals that I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner while I was on vacation for a week. I know sometimes when you go on trips and you're eating a certain way, it's hard to find options that fit the criteria of what you are trying to eat. So I'm just going to show you guys what I ate while I was on vacation. I did not eat healthy 100% of the time while I was on vacation. Obviously, I was on vacation, so I did have some treats every now and then, but for the most part, I tried to stick to my goals of not having a ton of carbs or a ton of sugar each day. I did have some treats every now and then. I'm not going to put those in the video just because this is a video on healthy options to eat, so I'm just going to show you guys the healthy things that I ate while I was there. I don't want to make this intro too long. I did just get back from my trip. That's why I look like a hot mess right now, but I look like this in every video, so if I were you, I'd just get used to it. But yeah, I don't want to make this intro super long, so let's just get into the video. Also, really quick before I get into the video and showing you guys everything I ate, I wanted to show you guys my workout planner that I have. It kind of helps me keep track of how much I'm exercising throughout the day and also what I'm eating throughout the day, so I know if I need to eat more of something or less of something or drink more water. So I'm just going to show you guys that really quick. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It comes with stickers and pens, and my aunt gave me this for Christmas, so you guys may have seen it in my what I got for Christmas video. But these are the pages that I used while I was in California. It's Monday through Sunday, and I just wrote down what I did that day, what I ate that day, what I need to do that day, how much I worked out that day. I just wanted to show you guys that really quick because it really helps me stay on top of things and keep sticking to my goals, even though sometimes it's hard writing it down every day. It really helps me keep on track and just remember what I'm working towards. So I really like these journals. So on day one, I had breakfast at our hotel. Our hotel did have a complimentary breakfast, so that helped a lot each day because they had a lot of healthy options. I had a cup of tea every day, and then the breakfast was pretty much the same with a few changes. So for day one, I had eggs, some cottage cheese, some berry compote, and then I had some bacon and some sausage. They had a lot of other really yummy options, but I decided not to get any of them because they just weren't in my criteria of what I wanted to eat. I had some snacks. One of the snacks I had while we were at Disneyland was some beef jerky, and then I really like these double shot energies because they helped me stay awake throughout the day, and I just got the light version, so it had a lot less calories and a lot less carbs. And then I got some honey roasted almonds because they're another really yummy treat. I just kept those in my backpack throughout the day, and I didn't really have lunch. I just had those snacks. And then when we went to dinner, I got a tuna poke salad, so it just had some really yummy things in it like avocado, and then of course the tuna and the cabbage and some edamame, and it was really yummy and really healthy, and I was really happy that I was able to find that on the menu to eat for dinner. So day two was kind of the same deal as day one. We just had breakfast at our hotel because it was complimentary. Today I had a bowl of oatmeal with some cream and cranberries and almonds, and then I had some tea with some Splenda and honey, and then I had some eggs and a piece of sausage. For lunch, we went to In-N-Out, and I decided to get 2 protein-style double-doubles. That just means you have lettuce instead of a bun. It's a healthier option, and I personally think it tastes just as good, if not better. And then we had a late lunch, and since I had 2 double-doubles, I wasn't super hungry, and either was the rest of my family, so we didn't go out for dinner. And then when we got back to our hotel, we started getting hungry, and we had bought some food at the store, so I just had a frozen chicken and veggie medley, and I heated that up and just ate that at my hotel for dinner. So day 3, I had eggs with bacon instead of sausage, and the oatmeal was so good from the day before. I had some again, and then I got some yogurt with berry compote, and then of course I had my cup of tea again because they had a lot of different yummy tea options, and they had like the Starbucks ones, which were really good. And then at Disneyland Park that day for lunch, I had a turkey leg, and then I had some other snacks that I showed at the beginning of the video, and the turkey leg was super big, and it definitely was able to fill me up for most of the day. And then it was my brother's birthday, so we decided to take him out for dinner, and he chose to pick to go to Naples in downtown Disney, which is one of our favorite places to go in California. And at Naples I got a seafood stew, which was one of their new items, and it was really yummy and probably one of my favorite things I had on the trip. And it was just full of seafood, so it was full of protein, and it was just super good. So by day 4, we were all super worn out, but we just had breakfast at our hotel again. So I had yogurt this time, and I added some grapefruit, some more cottage cheese, and then I had eggs and sausage, and of course my tea. And then we actually relaxed and just stayed at the hotel most of the day and took a long nap. And then we went out for dinner. So for dinner I had a zucchini pasta with meatballs, which was super yummy, and they were actually vegetarian meatballs, so no actual meat. And then here are just some more snacks that we had at our hotel. So I had some popcorn that was just lightly salted, and then some Zesty Ranch veggie straws, and I just snacked on these whenever I was at the hotel and started feeling hungry. They were just a healthier snack option to have. They were super good. So on our last day we left Anaheim and drove up to Universal Studios. So today I just had some yogurt with berry compote and then some grapefruit. I was kind of tired of eating eggs, and then my tea. And then at Universal Studios I had a snack pack that had some salami and some cheese, and then I actually forgot to record my dinner that day. But I did record the first thing I ate when I got home, which was a grilled chicken salad, and that is everything I ate on my vacation. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope if you are trying to eat a certain way, or you're worried about not being able to eat healthy while you're on vacation, that this video helped you. Sometime I want to make a video of what I eat in a day. It's basically the same stuff that I ate on vacation, except even less carbs and less sugar. Because I was on vacation, it was hard because I didn't want to eat the same things every single day. So I did add a little sugar and a little extra carbs to my diet. And then, like I said, I did have some treats every now and then, which if you watch my other video that I'm going to be posting sometime this week of my outfits that I wore on vacation, you'll see some of those treats that I did have. Everything that I showed you guys in the video should be healthy enough for you guys to eat on vacation. It may not fit everybody's diet. This is just the stuff that I had, but I hope that it helped you nonetheless. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.